Alright, so we're here today. We got our hard hats. We're at Busch Gardens with Wishing Mom, Brandy, aka Zoe's mama. And we're here to check out the construction of Big Bad Wolf and see how far along they've come with it. See if there's any surprises. Alright, let's go.
We'll head out to the site and then we'll split into those red and yellow groups. Any questions? You have a color on there. If it's falling off, just let me know. We go. Awesome. So if you want to follow the team here, we're going to head out to the site. Yeah.
Ooh. Some wooden spikes going in there. It's gonna be a close miss. Alright, so included in the media event, they gave us like 3 tastings of Mardi Gras at Busch Gardens. So we have a sausage, some Cajun. Yeah, you never saw such a mess. And then got some Cajun mac and cheese with andouille sausage in it too, and then a banana Foster's cheesecake. No bagnets. Kind of sad. I'm scared. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You didn't see anything.
Bye. Oh.